Let's see.
Alright, man.
I ditched the gun, alright?
You ditched it?
Yes.
Where'd you put it?
That bridge in the water.
Echo 944.
I got it.
You got it? Where'd you put it at?
In the water.
It's in the water?
You're saying that the zero's in the water? What water?
There's a bridge over there.
Jason, you copy that?
Hey buddy, what's your name?
Hey, Skyler Thomas.
Hey Skyler. Oh, hold on 1 second. He's secured, right?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, I'm going to read you something. Can you hear me okay?
Flagler 2 Charlie 224.
Talking about my rights, I already know.
Okay, I'm going to read them anyways. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. If you're talking to an attorney and have him or her with you now or anytime during questioning, you cannot afford an attorney won't be appointed to represent you. Anytime we stop talking and have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped at your request. You understand those rights? And knees to your chest?
Your knees to your chest?
Alright. Did you hear what I had to say, or do you want me to read it again? Here, we'll go over here in the shade, bud.
I'm fully searching.
The gun's at that bridge. There's a small bridge over there by Olive Garden. I threw it in the water. It's not real.
He's got some stuff on right there on the ground. He's still got money in his back pocket. He's still got money and stuff in his back pockets. Yeah.
Hey, let me find...
Back left, or back right pocket, sorry.
Alright, man, have a seat, alright?
The traffic came
These double locks?
Yeah.
Are they just standard cuffs?
They're just regular cuffs. Or well, they got my name on them.